Before to start, I want to ask you two questions. Firstly, how many main players are driving the stock market? Secondly, which is the world's most important platform of stock exchange? Did you guess? Within the stock market, we have three major players. Of course, the stock exchange plays, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, which is based in Wall Street, the Nasdaq, the Japan Exchange Group, also called the Capital Show, the London Stock Exchange or Paris Stock Exchange. Namely, Euronext, which is the main stock exchange in the Eurozone, merged in 2007 with the NYSE to become the world's largest platform of stock exchange. Theoretically, the stock exchange is a market where offer and demand meet. We therefore fund demand economic agent, so those looking for financing. These economic agents are public institutions like a government, the US or Indian government, as well as companies like Amazon. In the other hand, they are economic agent provider of capital. Economic agents providing capital are composed of two categories. Institutional economic agent, such as bank and investment fund. The most famous investment funds are the Carlyle Group, BlackRock, Apollo Investment Corporation, or Fidelity Investment, even if this last one is quite different. Thus, economic agent provider of capitals could be institutional or individual, such as a private person, ourselves for example. Note that the AMF, which is an independent French administrative authority, recently warned that following COVID-19, trading platforms have generally seen the biggest increase in activity since the crypto money boom in 2017-2018. This information proves that there are more and more non-experienced persons who want to invest. We can never say it often enough. The stock market doesn't leave space for novice. Your fund will probably be at stake, so keep control over your decision. In fact, these courses will give you the tools to reduce risk caused by unprecedented volatility and help you to control your position. In the next part, we will deeply look at the different institutional economic agents together.